Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is how to merge two sorted linked lists in Java. So let's get started. Okay friends, let's discuss how to merge two sorted linked lists. So this is one sorted linked list and this is another sorted linked list. First of all, what we will do is we already saw how to merge two arrays, two sorted arrays. So the same pattern will be follows here also. So what happens is, let me take one node which is pointing to head of the first linked list, and the node name 2 which is pointing to the head of the second list. Okay, and now what we will do is we will take this like in this we have this node and in this we have this node, and we have some resultant linked list with us. And now what we will do is, while this 1 is not equal to null and while this 2 is not equal to null, I will compare the data. Here 1 is less than 2. Now what I will do is, in my resultant linked list, I have 1 with us, 1 with me. And now this 1 will go one step forward. One step forward. And again I will check. Here 2 is small, no? When compared to 3. Now this will move to one step and I will add that node 2 with me. This is the resultant linked list. And again, this is 2. Okay. Now what will happen? Now I will check this 3 and 4. This 3 is less than 4. No? Now this 3 node will be goes here and it will come to here. And again I will check 1 and 2. This is smaller node. So this will be attached here and this will move one step forward. And I will check is my 5 is less than 6. Yes. So my 5 will be goes here and it will move one step forward. And now 6 is less than 7. No? Now this 6 is added to my linked list and now this will move one step forward. And I will check here 7 is less than 2. No? Now this 7 will be here and this 1 will pointing to null. And so this is equal to null. Now so this is equal to null. This whole array is in this resultant, this whole linked list is in resultant linked list. Now what I want to travel, okay, this comes to end, so there is no other nodes, but here it stops here. Now this 2 is stops here, no? Now I will continue appending this all the nodes into my resultant linked list. This 2, 8 will be appended and it will go forward, and again 10 will be appended, it goes forward, we will pointing to null now. So this is also comes to null, so these all elements also came into my resultant linked list. So this is very similar to how to merge two sorted arrays. Very similar. So we will take two nodes which is pointing to head of the first linked list and head of the second linked list respectively, and we will compare them and we will add into the resultant linked list. So this will be better understand by you when you see how to code it. Okay, let's start coding. Okay, let's start coding now. This is my merge sorted lists function, and in this I have list1 and list2. In my main.java I created list1 and list2 and I inserted all the elements from 1 to 5, 1 to 5 odd elements only, like 1 3 5, and in this I have all even elements 2 4 5 6 2 4 6 8 up to 10. Okay, I have in list1 like that, list2 like that. Now what I will do is, see, first of all I will take a node 1 which is pointing to head of the first node, l1 dot head, and I will take node 2 which is pointing to head of the second list, l2 dot head. Now what I will do, similar, it's very similar to how to sort two sorted arrays. So while my 1 is not equal to null and my 2 is also not equal to null. Now what will happen now? First of all, I also should take my resultant linked list. No? So I will take linked list like result is equal to new linked list. That's it. Now what I will do is, first of all I will compare the data. Okay, if my 1 dot data is less than 2 dot data, then what I will do, I will add that node to my result dot insert at end. We already discussed that. insert a 10 function, what I will pass? 1 dot date. I will pass 1 dot date. And now I will move 1 is equal to 1 dot next. Or else what I should do? I should add the same thing. Instead of 1, we will keep 2. The same thing will be done, but instead of 1, we will keep 2. Okay, now this will be over. But there is condition, like as we discussed at the beginning of this video, the one node, this one is coming to the end. But what about this 2? This has to be computed. So what I will do is, if my list 1 is less than list 2, I mean length, according to length or according to values, there is one list that it will be remains. Now what I will do is, while I1 not equal to null, if there are some elements to be computed, then I just do like this. Okay. Or I also have some other condition, like if my, sorry, 2 not equal to null, then I just give this two things here. Okay, so and at last I will return my result. That's it. I will save this, and I will save this also, and let me run. Java, no errors. See, this is my first linked list. So I'm calling L1.show. This is my first linked list, and this is my second linked list. And what is returned in this function, so I'm storing it in merge linked list, and merge.show is returning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So that's it. That's it about this video. I hope you have understood this video very well. And the coming up video is reverse key a group of nodes in a linked list. Okay, so this is somewhat very difficult and different way. Okay, I will explain it in a very easy manner, and you can understand it very well. And subscribe to my channel to Coder to get notified for the further videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.